Not every moon is like ours. Some are on fire, some might be hiding an ocean, and one of them shouldn't even exist. Let's go through every single type. Terrestrial moons. This is our moons category. Solid, rocky, no atmosphere to speak of. It's been sitting 384,000 kilometers away for over 4 billion years, silently locking its same face toward Earth the entire time. That's called tidal locking. And it's the most common trait among rocky moons across the solar system. Icy moons. Now we leave rock behind. Icy moons have surfaces made almost entirely of frozen water instead of stone. Europa, orbiting Jupiter, is the most famous example. Its surface is smooth, cracked ice, and underneath it, scientists believe there's a liquid ocean containing more water than every ocean on Earth combined. Ocean moons. This is where things get genuinely exciting. Ocean moons don't just have ice, they have confirmed liquid water hiding beneath their frozen shells. Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, actively shoots geysers of water vapor, hundreds of kilometers into space. We've flown spacecraft directly through that spray. Volcanic moons. Io, another moon of Jupiter, is the most volcanically active object in the entire solar system. Not Earth, not Venus, Io. It has over 400 active volcanoes, constantly repainting its surface in sulfur yellows and oranges. Some of its eruptions shoot material 500 kilometers into space. Atmospheric moons. Most moons have no air at all. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, breaks that rule completely. It has a thick atmosphere denser than Earth's. It even has rivers, lakes, and rain. Except instead of water, it's liquid methane. Titan is the only moon in the solar system with stable liquid on its surface. Captured moons. Not every moon formed alongside its planet. Some were wandering objects that got pulled in by gravity later. Phoebe, orbiting Saturn, is believed to be a captured object from the distant Kuiper belt, meaning it traveled billions of kilometers before ending up trapped in orbit. Co-orbital moons. These moons don't just orbit their planet, they share an orbit with something else entirely, swapping positions in a slow cosmic dance. Saturn's moons, Janus and Epimetheus, literally trade orbits with each other every 4 years, coming within kilometers of colliding without ever actually touching. Shepherd moons. Some moons exist for one job, keeping planetary rings in shape. Prometheus and Pandora, both orbiting Saturn, gravitationally herd nearby ring particles, keeping Saturn's ring sharp and defined instead of spreading out and dissolving. Retrograde moons. Almost every moon orbits in the same direction its planet rotates. Retrograde moons don't. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, orbits backward, the exact opposite direction of Neptune's spin. That's a massive clue it wasn't born there. Scientists believe Triton is a captured dwarf planet. Chaotic moons. Some moons don't even hold a stable shape or orbit. Hyperion, one of Saturn's stranger moons, tumbles chaotically through space. Its rotation is so unpredictable that even with precise math, scientists can't reliably forecast which way it will be facing more than a few weeks in advance. Death Star moons. Mimas, yet another moon of Saturn, has one massive crater so large it makes the entire moon resemble a certain fictional space station. That crater, Herschel, is almost a third of Mimas's total diameter. The impact that created it nearly shattered the moon completely. Doomed moons. Not every moon gets to stay. Phobos, one of Mars's 2 small moons, is slowly spiraling inward. In roughly 50 million years, it will either crash into Mars or get torn apart by gravity, forming a temporary ring around the planet before scattering completely. Exomoons. Every moon we've covered so far orbits a planet inside our own solar system. Exomoons orbit planets around other stars entirely. We haven't confirmed one yet with certainty, but multiple strong candidates exist, and if confirmed, they would be some of the most distant moons humanity has ever detected. So the next time you look up and see our moon hanging quietly in the sky, remember, it's just one type out of an entire universe of possibilities. Somewhere out there, a moon is erupting. Somewhere, a moon is hiding an ocean. And somewhere, a moon is quietly spiraling toward its own destruction. Ours just happens to be the calm one.